So today we are going to do some unboxing video of the new MacBook Pro with Touch Bar. Yes, you heard me right. And now this is the 2017 version, and we'll see what's inside the box. So I am going to grab a little knifey. Oh, look at that. It's actually heavy, by the way. Yee, so excited. Yee. After 4 years, I finally upgraded from MacBook Air to MacBook Pro. This is actually a... Sorry about that. It's actually a Christmas gift. OMG. Well, everyone, this is my son Boomer. Boomer, my son. Say hi to everybody. Say hi, everyone. So, I don't know what's going on with him, but... Oh my god, this is really good. Look at that. Oh my god. The texture is just... So we'll set it right here, and you don't need this thing anymore. You know what? Let me put it right here. No! Don't lick this, Boomer. Stay there. Stay. So anyway, I'm sorry about that. So, oh my god. I'm gonna open it up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this feels really great. I mean, it's tight. One thing I like about Apple is that they have a very, very, very good packaging. Oh shit. Oh wow. Oh, by the way, this is the space gray. Okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift this up. Oh gosh. Oh my god. Oh wow. Nice, and oh, it's a bit heavy, huh? I mean, it's quite heavy. So we'll put that thing here, and we'll go over this in just a moment. The next thing is this little adapter or plug, they call this. Yep. Look at that. Look at that. Gonna put it right there. And it's gone. Look at this packaging. It's very well built. Made, I should say. There you go. Num num num. I should take these sleeves off. That way we can fully charge our MacBook Pro later. You know. Boom. Well, I'm a bit surprised. This is a little bit wider than the one that I have that came with my 2013 MacBook Air. So this little guy, it goes right here. You just simply plug that in. Boom! And then there you go, and you're good to go. We are going to play with the new device machine. Now, for everyone who plans on getting this one, I suggest you get a cover too, or like a case, because you know you don't want to get it scratched up all over, you know. So it has this little 1, 2, 3, 4. They have 4 things of USB-C. Okay, so we're gonna open this together and let's see how it looks like. Bottom. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. Ooh, wow, look at that. Oh my god, I feel. Oh my god, this is phenomenal. Stop. Take out this box. Oh my god. So far, I have a very good, very good impression of the MacBook itself. I felt like I'm a million bucks. You know, it's worth every penny. So, thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed my quick unboxing for dummies. And my boomer right here fell asleep. So yeah, I say bye bye everyone. Bye bye.